Today we're going to be testing out a couple different screen protectors made by Whitestone Dome for the Google Pixel Fold. Here we have the Dome Glass EA, which is a tempered glass screen protector for the outside of your Google Fold. It's got 9H hardness, it's shatter resistant, and it has an oleophobic coating. And then here we have the Dome Glass all-in-one pack, which includes the Dome Glass EA. It also has tempered glass protectors for the rear camera and EPU film for the inner display of the Google Fold. Now you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch test to see how durable this screen protector really is. And by the end of the video, you'll know whether or not these screen protectors are worth your time and money. So let's get started. Now this does come with 2 tempered glass screen protectors with easy guide installation and an installation packet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to clean off your screen really well with an alcohol wipe, then dry it off, then remove any dust with a dust sticker. Once you're done with that, you want to take one of your screen protectors, flip it over, and we need to remove this little step 1 sticker. Once you've done that, flip the screen protector over, making sure that this little tab and number 3 are towards the camera on your phone. And then just firmly press it into place. Then slide your finger quickly across the side and down the middle. Then we need to hold down on the guide and remove this sticker. And then just lift up the guide. And there is our screen protector. Perfect installation. This is a full coverage screen protector, so it does cover your selfie camera. There's also a gap all the way around the phone for case compatibility, which I will be testing in just a minute. As far as touch goes, it's nice and smooth, feels just like the glass that's on the phone. Let's test out the facial recognition. No problems there. And as you can see, the screen is crystal clear. No issues with touch. Everything seems to be working just fine. No problems. As far as fingerprint rejection, it does pick up minor smudges, but you can very easily just wipe those away without any problems. The edges of the screen are also nice and rounded, so when you run your finger over them, it is nice and smooth. Now let's put on a case. The screen protector seems to fit perfectly, comes right up to the edge of the case. There is no lifting, but unfortunately the only way to know if this works with your case is to try it out because not all cases are created equal. Now let's try out our selfie camera. Everything seems to be just fine, nice and clear. So everything's looking perfect so far. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. We're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a height of about 2 feet. If it doesn't crack, we'll raise it up foot by foot until it eventually cracks. So here we go at 2 feet. Here we go 3 feet. 4 feet. 5 feet. 6 feet. 7 feet. Here we go at 8 feet. This is the highest I can go at 8.5 feet. So at 8.5 feet, I wasn't able to get this screen protector to crack, but it did make like this little divot in the screen here, but no cracking. So this is definitely the best screen protector yet. So now let's move on to the scratch protection. Now typically tempered glass screen protectors start to scratch at a level 6, so we're going to start off at a number 5. And then number 6. And then finally a number 7. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, there are no scratches at a level 5. There are light at a level 6 and a little deeper at a level 7. So the scratch protection here is definitely a little better than normal tempered glass screen protectors. So installation was super easy. It is case friendly. Drop protection is the best that I've tested so far. And scratch protection is also better than normal tempered glass screen protectors. So I'm definitely going to recommend this screen protector and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And then here we have the dome glass all-in-one pack. So it comes with 2 tempered glass screen protectors, 4 installation packets, 2 rear camera protectors, some foam installation pads, a squeegee, installation guides, and 2 inner display screen protectors. Now since I already did the outer tempered glass screen protector, I'm not going to do it again. If you want to see that, just watch the video right ahead of this. So first we're going to start off with the inner display screen protector. You're going to want to take one of your installation pads. I would recommend sticking this on the side of your phone. Then you're going to want to clean off your inner display with the alcohol wipe and then dry it off. Then remove any dust that you might see. Now what you want to do is take one of your screen protectors. We're going to make sure that this sticker here that says front is on the top, and we're going to peel off the bottom number 1. Then we need to place this over our phone just like this. I'd hold on to the little tabs, place it the best that you can, and then I would take your squeegee and just kind of press that down. Make sure you get out all the air bubbles. Do the same thing for the other side. Then once you have it placed down, we're going to take our squeegee, we're going to put it behind the middle of the phone just like this, and we're going to lift up on tab number 2, making sure it goes up and over your screen, and just kind of squeegee that out just like this. Make sure you get out any bubbles. We'll turn it around. Now we're going to place our squeegee behind this line here. We're going to lift up on tab number 3. Make sure it goes up and over your phone. Just press that out just like we did the first time. And then squeegee out any bubbles you might see. Now once you have that done, we're going to peel up on the little sticker here. Just make sure that you don't pick up the screen protector underneath with it, so be very careful. And there we go. Installation looks really nice. I only see a couple bubbles in the corner here, which should disappear, but you can try to very gently get them out with the squeegee. So I was able to get those bubbles out. Just don't squeegee hard at all and you should have no problems. It looks really good. I don't see any other bubbles. Now as far as touch goes, feels nice and smooth, just like the screen that's already on your phone. Touch working perfectly fine. As you can see, it is also nice and clear. Yep, touch is working perfectly fine. Let's see about fingerprints. It does pick up minimal fingerprints on the screen. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's some right there, but you can easily just wipe those away with hardly any effort. No problems at all. All right, let's do our first fold. Yeah, I still don't see any bubbles. I don't see any lifting. Looks really nice so far. Let's do another couple folds. Very nice. So that screen protector is working out really well. As you can see, looks really good. And now your screen is protected. Now just to tell you, I did not remove the screen protector that's already on the phone. I just overlaid this one on top of it. I didn't want to risk damaging my phone or voiding my warranty. So as you can see, it seems to be working just fine, even overlaid the screen protector that's already on your phone. So now if anything gets scratched, it'll be this screen protector that you can easily remove and put back on. And if you want to remove it from your phone, you can very easily do that. Just lift up on one of the edges and you can very easily peel it right off. No damage to your screen whatsoever. Now let's test out the rear camera covers. So again, just thoroughly clean off your rear camera before we put this on. And then just put the protector down over the camera the best you can. And there you go, not hard at all, perfectly placed. As you can see, everything lines up really nice. And now your cameras are protected. So let's test out the rear camera. We'll see how clear it is. As you can see, it is super clear, no issues whatsoever. Here's our ultra wide, and we'll zoom in. No problems whatsoever. So now let's test out the scratch protection of the rear camera. Again, we're going to start off with a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then finally, a number 7. All right, so if we take a closer look here, we can see there are no scratches at a level 5. There are ever so slight at a level 6 and a little deeper at a level 7. So not too bad. If you want to protect your camera, this is definitely going to do the job. I would also recommend the Dome Glass All-in-One, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Now, if you do want to pick up either one of these yourself, I will be putting a product link in the video description. And if you guys like the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would also recommend checking out my best and worst screen protectors video for the Google Fold, which is on your screen right now. And that's where I review a ton of different screen protectors all in one video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.